Welcome to the channel. Starting with number 5, client communication shapes every interior design project. It's not just talking, it's decoding client psychology, managing expectations, and translating abstract desires into tangible spaces. Studies show 65% of project success hinges on effective dialogue. Miscommunication? It costs firms thousands per revision. Moving to number 4, stick around. Now, project management in interior design, it's an intricate dance of time, budget, and logistics. A single project can involve over 50 vendors, 300 material choices, and thousands of decisions. Delays? Even a one-week slip can inflate costs by 15%. Moving to number 3. Mastering CAD software isn't just about clicking buttons, it's precision engineering in digital form. AutoCAD, Rhino, and Revit demand spatial reasoning, parametric control, and material physics understanding. Architects optimize structures, ensuring millimeter accuracy, while designers simulate lighting, textures, and ergonomics. Are you still watching? Moving to number 2, stick around. Now, imagine this. Ray tracing, a rendering technique, simulates every photon's interaction with surfaces, calculating light bounces, reflections, and refractions in real time. NVIDIA's RTX series accelerates this using dedicated cores, enabling cinema-quality visuals at over 60 frames per second. In architectural visualization, photogrammetry integrates real-world textures, achieving hyperrealism unseen before. Lastly, we will talk about how efficient space planning isn't just arranging furniture, it's mathematical precision. Architects optimize circulation flow using path-width ratios, often maintaining 3-foot clearances for accessibility. Studies show well-planned layouts enhance productivity by 20%. Anthropometric data ensures ergonomic spacing. For instance, a standard kitchen work triangle minimizes movement, saving seconds that compound into hours annually. Advanced AI-driven parametric design tools simulate spatial efficiency dynamically. Even ancient Romans mastered this. Pompeii's villas exhibit deliberate axial symmetry. Now, wrapping up highest demand interior design skills, client communication, project management, CAD software proficiency, 3D modeling and rendering, space planning. Comment your dream layout below, subscribe, and stay inspired.